Hello and welcome to Free World Investing. Today we're going to be going over Bollinger Band percentages. Now the Bollinger Band percentages is the exact same thing as Bollinger Bands, except that it's pretty much like an oscillator. Now, they might look completely different, but they're exactly the same thing. Now I'm going to take a horizontal line to help you guys see this. Now, the horizontal line right here, this represents the moving average. This right here is the moving average, and this is the price. This line right here is the price relation to the moving average. As you can see, it crosses the price right here. It's already crossed. And then, you can see it several times on the chart. And then this line right here represents the standard deviation on the upside, while this right here represents the standard deviation on the downside compared in relation to the moving average. Now, I have the moving average set to 20 on both, which is the standard default. Now you'll see as soon as it comes right here, boom, right down below. As soon as it broke the Bollinger Band up there, right there. So the Bollinger Band percentages is the exact same thing as the normal Bollinger Bands, except it's just a completely different way to view it. Much like most indicators pretty much just show you exactly what you're already looking at, except in a different way. Now, Bollinger Bands are also very similar to the relative strength index. They're slightly different, but not by much. Now you can see the lines are almost exactly the same, but because we're working on a standard deviation from here, it's slightly different. And sometimes the Bollinger Bands work better, and sometimes the relative strength index works better. So sometimes it's good to use both to get a clear, precise view. Like right here, perfect trade on both. Right here, not so perfect, and the trade wasn't really that impressive. Right here, good trade. Right down to there, and that would be a good time to exit. And then right here, and would have caught a few pips, not too many. We would have got it on this. We would have probably kept through here, and then caught it right about here. And we could have even waited a little bit longer to get a little bit close to the overbought and oversold line on the relative strength index. So it's a good idea to sometimes use both of them, but it's not always the case. Sometimes one of them will catch a good move, sometimes the other one will catch a good move. Sometimes they don't coincide quite well, but a lot of times they do. So I would trade them just like you would trade the Bollinger Bands. Sometimes it helps just to have that clear chart so you can really see the price action going on instead of focusing on the way the Bollinger Bands are forming. So sometimes it's nice to have this price action just be right here, and then you can easily correspond your support and resistance lines without everything in your face with the Bollinger Bands. And that's really the real use for the Bollinger Band percentages. But that's going to be all for today, and if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other videos about investing. Y'all take it easy. Have a good day.